I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Civic oil life. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, use the steering wheel controls to navigate through the multi-information display. You'll want to find the menu that shows Maintenance or Vehicle Information to proceed with the reset process. Once you've located the correct menu, select Maintenance to enter that section. Within this menu, you should see an option or display showing your current oil life. Take a moment to confirm that the screen is indeed showing the oil life percentage, which indicates it's ready for the reset procedure. This ensures you are on the right screen. Now, to perform the reset, press and hold the cell/reset button, usually found on your dashboard or steering wheel, for about 10 seconds. You'll notice the oil life display start to blink, signaling it's ready. Release the button briefly, then press and hold it once more. This second hold is crucial for confirming the reset. Continue holding the cell/reset button until the oil life display changes to 100%. This confirms the reset is complete. Finally, turn your ignition off, then start the engine to verify that the maintenance minder light is no longer illuminated. Your Honda Civic's oil life monitor is now reset and ready for your next service interval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.